Hi guys, it's been a minute. Better late than never though, don't forget that. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be using the Medica TMS treatment cream as my moisturizer. I'm running low on this, as you can see. It's all over my face. I have really dry skin, and this is targeted for dry skin. Next, to moisturize my eyes, I'm going to be using the Hoola Henrikson Banana Bright Eye Cream. I think I use a little too much, but that's okay, I think. Or I would like to hope. When it comes to skincare, I tend to always overdo it because I have dry skin. I put like 10 moisturizers on my skin every day, especially before bed. So for my primer, I'm going to go ahead and use the good old Too Faced Hangover primer. You guys want to know a funny story? I tried doing a tutorial a couple days ago, and turns out if you want good audio, you have to have a mic. Helma didn't have a mic a couple days ago, and let me tell you, the audio sounded so bad. Now that I have a mic, hopefully you guys can hear me. And hopefully it won't be staticky. Next, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Almond. Just gotta shake it up. Did you guys hear about all the sex trafficking and human trafficking going on? It's making me not want to leave the house. I kind of want to get like a taser or pepper spray or both, but I just feel like you have to have that on you, like in your pocket or something, because by the time you find that in your purse, I feel like it's gonna be too late. I'm already as paranoid as it is. I'm always super aware of my surroundings. And always make sure to just look around me everywhere I go. It's kind of annoying, but I don't know. I just feel like you can't trust anybody nowadays, and it's so sad. To conceal, I'm gonna go ahead and use. Let's try this again, okay? So for the concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in shade Snow. What are your guys' favorite concealers? Can you let me know? I've been using this for a hot minute now. I used to use the Tarte Shape Tape. I mean, I still like it, but I ran out. And I don't know, I don't really buy makeup unless it's sent to me. Constantly being sent makeup, I've built a habit of not buying makeup because I feel so bad that I already have so much. And then to set my foundation and my concealer, I'm going to be using the Charolette Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in shade Fair. As you can see, I love this powder. This is like my third one. I just see so many people using this powder. I've seen Desi, Katie. As soon as I've seen Desi use it, I knew it was good because her skin is so flawless. So I gave it a shot, and wow. Okay, now that that is set, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is my OG. I don't even know how many times I've repurchased this. So I always like to make this weird face when I'm doing bronzer so my cheekbone can pop out. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice. I'm not too sure what look I want to do just yet. I think we're just going to go ahead and wing it. Shall we? Shall we? I'm going to use my MAC 224 brush. Whew. This is such a hard decision to make. I think I'm going to go ahead and use Gingerbread Latte all over my crease for now. And then we'll see where that goes. No, I'm applying that all over my crease for now. I got the Clear and Brilliant facial like 9 days ago at Laserway, and my skin is still peeling. I'm looking at my skin right now in the mirror and it looks so dry. I don't know what brush this is, but it's similar to a MAC 217. I'm using it to blend out the edges. I'm going to go ahead with Figgy Pudding and just put it on the outer V. Then I'm going to go ahead with the MAC 224 brush and just blend the two together. Okay, wow, so hopefully I didn't lose too much of you guys, because as I was just filming, I looked down to make sure it was still recording and it said that my memory card was full. So technical difficulties, but glad that you guys are back and hopefully you guys didn't miss too much. I don't think you guys did, but I went ahead and I put Figgy Pudding all over my lid, and now I'm slowly blending it with this wannabe MAC 217 brush. What's your guys' zodiac signs? Can you guess what I am? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think I am, because a lot of you seem to already know. And you guys are the OGs. But if you don't know, wrong brush. If you don't know, comment down below and I would love to see your guys' guesses. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows using this spoolie from Motives Cosmetics and then this angled brush from MAC. The number is wiped off, but I think it's the 253 or 63. Something 2 and a 3, but the middle number is wiped off. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Brow Palette. I'm a little too embarrassed to show you what it looks like because my niece, let me just tell you, okay, I'll show you. I'm not going to show it ever again, so you're welcome. I'm going to go ahead and use the darkest shade in the palette and just lightly go over my brows. I don't really have to change the shape, so I'm going along with the shape, starting with the lower arch, that's where you want your brows to be the darkest. So applying a light hand because you don't want angry looking brows. Because my eyeshadow look is a little heavy, I'm going to go darker on my brows than I usually do. Next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. And then I'm just going to apply a light coat because I'm going to follow through with some eyelashes. So for the eyelashes, I'm going to be using the ones from my line, HelmaRose. And these are in the style Boss Lady. They're a little dramatic, which I like. And I've used these, I want to say, I don't remember. I've used them quite a bit. And good thing about these, they last forever. Wow, this is made in Korea? I didn't know that. I'm going to be using the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins. It's the green one. I like that it has the applicator and it doesn't have that fishy smell like the other Duo glues have. TMI. Okay, now that I've applied a generous amount, I'm going to wait about 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky, and then I'm going to apply it on my eye. Wow. Just look at it. Seriously, just look at that. So to highlight, I'm going to use the MAC Soft and Gentle Skin Finish for the brush. Don't hate me, it has nothing on here. I'm going to go back in with the eyes and put Figgy Pudding on my lower lash line. Before I put mascara on my lower lashes, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Smashbox primer water. The Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, but I'm not too sure what color I want to use. Maybe this color? What do you guys think? Can't hear you. This shade is, it's Seek Adventure. Okay, so I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lashes. And I think that completes this look. What do you guys think? I like it. I really like how everything turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below what you would like to see in my next video. Thank you. Bye.